What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Money Making Swab with Perfect Touch Auto Glass. Yeah. We learn important life lessons when we give ourselves over to hard work, determination, attentiveness, responsibility, problem solving, and self-control. Oh yeah, all comes to mind. These lessons in turn serve us in other areas. And with hard work comes success. And the result of success is hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. With hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Oh yeah. Focus, hard work is the real key to success. Hard work is a value that is not instilled from birth, but that the fathers and mothers have to teach it to their children. Ooh, yeah. As they need training, which consists of creating habits and responsibility through perseverance. Yeah. Learning the value of hard work is essential. So go hard or go home. This your boy, Money Making Swab. Ooh.